Jacob here with Sarracenia Northwest, and this is your Carnivorous Plant Care Guide for May 2025. Spring came early again this year. Some of our Sarracenia flava bloom in late April. Back in the early 2000s, these plants would normally bloom in mid-May, so we're seeing a trend of these plants waking up earlier than in decades past. Now, we're in Oregon where a late season frost can still happen during the first couple of weeks in May. If this happens, new growth can be nipped by frost. The damage won't harm the overall health of the plant. It just means that the new growth that got nipped won't develop into a pitcher. Fortunately, the Sarracenia we have for sale are sheltered in a cold frame which protects them from springtime frost. They're also protected from hail and heavy rain, which can erode the soil and damage new growth. Although Sarracenia are producing flower buds, none of them have open pitchers just yet. They'll have open pitchers by the end of this month. Sundews are waking up and unfurling some great leaves right now. Fly traps are also emerging from dormancy. We still have to clean them up for spring, but we'll do that later in the month. To care for your outdoor perennials throughout May, give them as much sunlight as possible. These plants grow best in full sun with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Your plants should also be sitting in trays of water to prevent the soil from ever drying out. Keep the water level no higher than halfway up the pot. That is always a good rule to remember, regardless of the time of the year. With your tropical plants, make sure they're getting their appropriate lighting. Nepenthes and most sundews benefit from partial sun or several hours of direct sunlight. If you're using supplemental lighting, you might not need it as much as you did in winter. In fact, we had to put shade cloth on the tropical greenhouse because plants were getting too much light this spring. Buddworts and some varieties of sundews also appreciate cooler temperatures, so they'll benefit being located to a milder location if your windowsill is too warm. With your tropical plants, the soil should also be damp at all times. With sundews, you can set them in a tray of water. With buddworts and nepenthes, top water and allow the water to flush through. Just prevent the soil from drying out. Now, if you need help with your carnivorous plants, we're here for you. Go to our website, growcarnivousplants.com, and look for the Ask the Growers link. Use the form there to let us know what's going on with your plant and the type of growing condition it's in. You can also upload up to 3 photos. After that, one of our growers will get back to you. And while you're on our website, check out the carnivorous plants in stock. And if you're in the Portland area, join us at one of our open houses. Reservations are required and space is limited. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in another video.